Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Netflix not loading. So without wasting much of our time, get straight into the video. So if your Netflix is not loading, you can simply start by restarting your device. You can unplug and plug for 15 to 30 seconds and get your device restarted. If this is not done, you can simply try the airplane mode as well as check and refresh your internet connection. Now, if the issue persists, you can simply go and reinstall your Netflix. So once you're gonna reinstall your Netflix, it will be like resetted and you can get a fresh out of it. So you can fix this Netflix problem not loading if you're gonna do this as well. But if you don't want to simply reinstall it or delete it from your device, you can sign out of the app, clear the Netflix app cache and data, and simply try to load it again. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.